Hello, folks. This is Ranger Mike at Huntington Beach State Park, and today I'm excited to tell you about some plans coming for Mallard Pond. Now, Mallard Pond is one of the impoundments that is visible really only from the driveway of Atalaya, what we call the Straight Road. And it's also our only completely 100% freshwater wetland in the park. And it is also an important home for alligators and amphibians. And it's also an important nesting area for a lot of different colonial wading birds, such as egrets and herons and things like that. Now, unfortunately, over time, this pond is getting shallower and shallower. And because of that, it's difficult for our partners with the Department of Natural Resources to be able to apply applications to manage the different emergent plants like cattails, which would threaten to take over every square inch of open water in this ecosystem if we didn't manage it somehow. So we have actually recently partnered with Ducks Unlimited. They were partners helping us to replace our water control structures on the causeway last year to help us manage Mallard Pond. And for this project, we're actually going to be doing some dredging in the wetland to deepen it so that the boats are able to manage the various plant species in here that need to be managed. We also have an important rookery island that is a hummock island that actually floats. And because it floats, whenever we have a hurricane, it frequently gets moved around. Well, one of the things that the birds absolutely must have are alligators. The island, the rookery has to remain an island. The alligators have to be able to get all the way around it. Why? Well, it's their home security system. In South Carolina, we find that the presence of alligators is one of the most important things these birds have to successfully nest. So the plan is to dredge around the island, use that dredge spoil to help anchor the island in one spot so it quits moving around. They are also going to dredge around a peninsula of land that just the year became an important nesting area as well. So we're going to dredge that peninsula to turn it into an island, and we're going to be adding a well, so we have the ability to keep water in this wetland even during drought periods. So it's a massive project that's going to require a lot of work, and we could only accomplish because of our partners with Ducks Unlimited. Now, one of the things we're doing in preparation for this is our Department of Natural Resources is also doing an interesting study on alligators. So you may notice when you visit the park that you'll see some alligators that look like they're wearing a little hat on the back of their neck. That is actually a satellite transmitter. These transmitters have been put on several alligators that are at least 8 foot long. They have to be that big for the transmitter to fit between the osteoderms or bones in the back of the alligator's neck. And they're going to be using these transmitters over the next couple of years to monitor what impact the restoration process will have on the alligators. So a lot of exciting new things on the horizon, and hope you'll be able to enjoy them the next time you come out and visit us at Huntington Beach State Park.